Well, guys, I kind of did something. Yeah, I kind of did something. I might have spent $170,000 on stocks in a matter of a 6-hour period today, okay, on a bunch of different stocks. It wasn't just the chef. Oh, look at the loss for me today. Oh my gosh. 197,000. $88.24. That is one of the roughest days I've ever had in the market. Definitely top 10. Let's just put it that way. A rough rescue type day. Like somebody saved me. Like my friend Jermaine Cole said. One day he said, she don't want to be saved. Don't save her. But I want to be saved, so save me, okay? Because, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, man. Anyways, I bought some stocks here today. I spent a whole lot of money on some stocks, including a stock I've never bought before. I'm going to share all that in this video, as well as my game plan for next week, which, man, we got to start strategizing. I got to start strategizing on like a Friday night because, after you get wrecked like that, man, holy smokers, this ain't no joke. It's all right. There were some good memes today, okay? A lot of times the memes are trash, but I'll give them this one, okay? This was a pretty funny one. Jeremy's private stock group members. Oh, moving in with their parents. That's me too, man. You need to call up my mom and pa. Say, hey, you mind if I move in for a little bit? Like, this AC bill's kind of rough over here. I think this is a scene from, what was that movie, Step Brothers? So many activities. Oh, gosh, man. Oh, yeah. Laugh all y'all want while you can, okay? This one here, Jeremy buying every dip. It's the one where they're throwing the money in the fire pit. Oh, man. Yeah, that was me today, literally, on every stock in the creation of mankind. What is this? What is this? I don't even know why I threw this ad for the Hungry Bowl in here. Don't use the Hungry Bowl. This is going to run up my numbers on the servers on Amazon Web Services. I don't even make any money from the app, so don't use that. That's going to cost me more money, okay? Obviously, this chef had a horrible day, extremely rough. It was down 16% plus. It almost hit 16 something before the market closed. Barely hovered over 1701. Just nasty. And there was a lot of stocks that were down huge today. I saw, there's just a ton of stocks that were down massively today. It was crazy. Corsair Gaming. Horrible day for Corsair. Well, it doesn't seem like much after Tattooed Chef, right? But when you consider Corsair's just been in a tough spot for a while now as far as the stock price goes. Another 3% downward today, $26 range. That one just it can't catch a break. The company, it doesn't matter, anyways, the thing is, at least when it comes to Chef, if somebody wants to say, well, it's got a big valuation on it. Fair play, okay? The Chef has ridiculous growth, 62% branded products. Corsair, they grew 24%. They got like a forward P of 15 or 16 on that stock or whatever, right? It just doesn't seem, that stock's just disrespected over and over again. It is what it is, okay? Look at it, Smile Direct Club. This stock was down to 3% plus here today, down to the $5 level. And like I said, there were some stocks that were down 10, 20. I was looking at one stock earlier today, down 27% today, 27%. I saw, I think it was, Wish stock was down 20 plus percent. SoFi got absolutely obliterated today. It's just stock after stock after stock. It's nasty, nasty, nasty out there. So, yeah, I spent $170,000 approximately in a matter of 6 hours on stocks. What did I buy with that $170,000, you might ask? All right, let's get into some of that. So, right off the bat, had my open order. This was placed for me essentially while I was sleeping still. 1,200 shares of Tattooed Chef. I put it in just like whatever it was at when the market opened is whatever I got it at. And so filled at $18.20. That was about the highest Tattooed Chef was the whole day. It got a lot worse, okay? I couldn't save that stock. No one could save that stock, okay? It was just unsalvageable today. Like, I don't know what ended up trading 10 million shares or whatever. Geez, I think every Wall Street holder that possibly held this stock sold today. It was ridiculous, out of control, okay? Then I bought more. Because after I woke up and I saw the stock was down a bunch more, I said, man, better put my money where my mouth is. And so I bought another 2,000 shares at $17.24. Those ones got filled at there. That equated to a $34,000, almost $500 move there. And, of course, as the day went on, it got even worse, okay, for the Chef. Then I went ahead and I said, well, Corsair's down today. Let me buy some more Corsair shares. And I bought 1,000 Corsair shares, which, like I said, this stock has amazing growth. And the valuation is not expensive. You can't say this valuation is expensive at all on this stock. That's the thing. If you want to say, Tattooed Chef, they're not making money right now, the 4P, blah, 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 there's no 4P, whatever, okay? But when it comes to Corsair, you can't, what is there to argue about this stock? The numbers are great. The valuation's insanely low. They've been around for a long time and they continue to innovate and expand their business. You can't say, this is like one stock, you can't say anything about it bad. What is every gamer and streamer going to be like, no, I don't want to game and stream anymore, the world? No, come on, man. Okay, you just sound silly you're doing that. So this is a one stock that's just like, a steal deal, and it just continues to get, disrespected, and it is what it is. And so I said, I'm going to buy another 1,000 shares, and that's exactly what I did. Then I said, hey, guess what? The Chef fell some more, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy some more Chef. Then I bought another 400 shares of Tattooed Chef. So, overall, that's 3,600 shares I bought in the Chef. This was all might have been before noontime, okay? Another $6,878 worth there. So yeah, like 3,600 shares of the Chef basically there, okay? Then Smile Direct Club started an initial position in this one. Brand new stock. Yes, a brand new stock started a position here, a $25,000 position at $5.04. My plan is if this one goes to $4.75 or under, I'll buy some more shares. If it goes to $4.50 or under, I'll buy some more shares. Brand new stock. I like them. I like them. They're in the dental space. The valuation's way beaten down. They've had everything just about bad could have happened in this company over the past 6 months has happened in this company over the last 6 months. And that's how the stock has gone from $13 a share 6 months ago. Back in February, this is a $13 and some change stock. And today, it's $5. $5. Because just about everything possible that could have gone wrong for this stock has gone wrong for this stock. And so I looked at it here today and I said, let me start an initial position. If it goes down more, I'm ready to buy more shares. Okay, I didn't want to go crazy with it, but I definitely started this position more aggressively than I usually start position sizing. Usually, if I buy into a stock, it's anywhere between $2,000 and $10,000 for my initial first buy. I wasn't messing around with Smile Direct Club. I want to start a pretty big position right off the bat, so I put in $25,000. And like I said, $4.75, I'll buy more. $4.50, I'll buy more. Also very interested in this one, if it was to stay around here or go into the fours when 2024 call options come out. Very interested in buying some call options in this one for 2024 if it stays down and if there were to actually be 2024 calls because it's not like an automatic, okay? Then, if that wasn't enough, I said Corsair. I looked at Corsair. It was in the 26s. I said, you know what? I'm not playing around. I'm not playing around with you anymore, Corsair. Put in a $54,000 trade here. Well, I don't want to call it a trade, an investment, okay? Filled it at $26.71. Bought 2,033 shares of Corsair. Boom, 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 okay? Had to do it. Now, so that's $170,000 I spent. Now, what is my plan for this upcoming week? Well, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to rock and roll. Like, if I need to buy a bunch more stocks, I will gladly buy. Let's assume for a moment Tattoo Chef goes down, Corsair Gaming goes down, Smile Direct Club goes down. I will be ready to buy. There's also potentially a new stock, if not two new stocks that I also want to buy. I'm not going to sit on my hands in this situation. These stocks are being beaten down to a pulp. They're being, kicked while they're down. And I'm not going to let this opportunity pass me. I'm going to be an aggressive buyer, and I will continue to be an aggressive buyer this upcoming week if there's any major weakness in these stocks. Also, I'm ready. I got to leave some dry powder around because guess what? I got to be ready to rock and roll for basically September 13th week because that's when all those 2024 calls will come out. So I got to be ready to rock and roll. Question is, are you ready to rock and roll? Make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know how to look into these companies, value these companies. I do not think right now is a time when, folks should obviously make your own decisions. But I don't think right now is the best time to just be like sitting around not doing anything. Right now, there are a lot of deals in the small cap space, and I think right now is a time when if you've been like on the sideline, like I don't know if I want to look into the stock stuff, I think maybe it might make a little sense because believe me, the deals come and they go real quick. Thanks for watching and have a great day.